We are heading to Algonquin Provincial Park today. It is about 5 hours north, which is the furthest from Toronto we'll have been since we were out in the East Coast a couple months ago.
What you got there?
Beaver tail.
Canadian treasure. You, I mean. So what just happened, Jenny?
The GPS took us to the west entrance because apparently the GPS thinks we can drive through the park, but we have to go all the way around and we have to go through like the north entrance.
How much longer did the guy say it was going to take us?
4.5, but I don't believe him.
4.5 what?
Hours.
Yeah. Hey, what's that sound?
Thunder.
Sounds kind of familiar, huh? Quiet, you. Oh well, it's nearly up. Come on, we can. So on the plus side, we actually got the tent up before it started raining. I don't think it's too far away. The wind has progressively been getting more and more fierce. It does look like it's going to be a wet weekend again, unfortunately. How's that bed looking?
I don't know what I'm doing. No, I'm serious. Can you help? How much?
For you, I do very good price. The rain has ended and the sun has come out and it's a really beautiful day. What's the name of the lake?
Cedar Lake.
Beautiful day on Cedar Lake. This is Cedar Lake. Whoa, we landed on me. We landed on me again. Hey, buddy. We just paddled across the lake to a nice secluded beach, and this is our spot for lunch. We're going to have some food here and take a bit of a swim. Now swap sides.
The green line that you can see is the rim of the Brent crater. It's where a meteorite impacted.
This was Armageddon the movie, except it hit the Earth. No?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, this you crazy mother.